the previous video I made, I told us that price has to reclaim this level and also reclaim this high here and reclaim this level. These are the two major levels that price has to reclaim for us to have a pronounced bullish recovery. So at the moment, price has reclaimed this level of 1.1726 area. So that level is now serving as a support. Since price reclaimed it with this candlestick, we have seen that it has been serving as a support. Also, this level has been serving as a resistance, and you can see that price has struggled with this severally right here and has been unable to go above this level. But you can see that here we're having equal highs right here, and wherever you're having equal highs like this, liquidity is building above, and liquidity attracts price. So what it means is that price is most likely going to seek the liquidity that is above here, and in the process of seeking this liquidity, it will hit this resistance at this point, this level 1.1779. So price will most likely hit that level, and if it's able to close above it and also close back into this channel, then that will be very bullish for the price, because that will make all this a confirmed fake out. I mentioned in my previous video that if this price can reclaim this level, that this becomes a fake out. So already we are looking at this as a downside fake out. However, we just have need of a little more confirmation to see that price is able to close above this resistance and also back into this channel. And you know that a downside fake out will lead to an extended move to the upside. So presently, this is a downside fake out. We need to see price close above this level. That will add to the bullish momentum that will take price back up here. Remember, we're having imbalances here, but for the meanwhile, here will be a barrier to price on EURUSD. And if price is unable to take off this area and close above, then we may see another plunge to the downside, which may now be the area we may start looking for another buy opportunity, because on the overall, we are still having an upward trend. That is why we are looking for a long opportunities, either at a reclaim of this level, or if we see price get back to these areas, then we'll begin to look for a bounce down here, maybe to the upside once again. So that is my take on EURUSD for today. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video.